Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI.com here, daily pre-market preparations. We are June 5th, 2024. How are you everybody? Say hi, don't be shy. Hi Shai, Aliza, Alon. Hi. This live will be in English. It's Wednesday, Monday, pre-market are in English. Tuesday, Thursday, pre-market are in Hebrew. Say hi, don't be shy. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because we are having also the midday market review. 11:59 Eastern time. We are going live once again in the midday market recap review. Chart request, anything that you want to ask me, midday. Yechiel, Chen, Yossi, Amos, Zorik, hi everybody. Say hi, let me know how do you hear me, how do you see me. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Now it's better. Benny, hi, thank you very much for joining. So how are you everybody? Roy, hi. Nice to see you all. Thank you very much for taking your time from your busy schedule and joining my lives. I do appreciate it. It's not taking under, I don't know. Anyway, thank you very much for joining. Lost my words. So what do we have? We have here, this is the US 500, the SPX futures. What do we see here? Uptrend. Now we have the 15.296 as the support. We are just an inch away from new all-time highs. Less than 1% to the upside. Above the 53.09, we will see 53.926 and then new all-time highs on the SPX futures. This is the futures uptrend until proven otherwise. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes. We have this trend line. Got rejected once again by this trend line. Let's see now at the upper border of the yellow zone, the 5300. Breaking below it, we will see 52.99. You see it live. You see live. Look how the upper border of the yellow zone holding a support below it. 53.01, 52.99. But for now we also have this trend line. Look at this. Breaking below it and we will see 52.99 and back to the 52.93. Some will say this is a wedge, falling wedge, uprising wedge. Call it whatever you want. Just follow price. Use Fibonacci and trend lines to show you the way. Now here we have Bitcoin on the 4 hours getting rejected by the 71,390. Look left, this area, 71,300. Very tough area of resistance. Look here, look here, look here. And not surprising, also here now, the 70,300 is the support. Overall, Bitcoin for now looking bullish until proven otherwise. Yes, Shopify is open on my chart. I want to see Shopify continuation. Let's put the FTI. I want to see Shopify continuation above the 61.37.39, and then I will start taking long position on Shopify. I have my alert over here. What else do we have? Say hi, don't be shy. Who did I miss? Hi Burgerim, how are you? Benjo, Mr. Roy Dayan, hi. Here you have Shopify. Shai, we just talked about Shopify. Look at this coincidence. Yosef wants snow. Gilly wants shop. Here you have it. Shop. Amos wants HPE. Hit the like, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the subscribe. Let's grow this channel together. Let's make this channel the best channel for technical analysis and how to make money from, yes, Gabriel, let's make money from technical analysis. I will help you make money from trading with technical analysis. I will teach you everything. The only thing I want in return is one thing. Hit a like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because if you don't know, each and every day I post 2 videos. One video, not this one. Let's go to my channel. 1 second. This is the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. Every day I post 2 videos. The stock market recap in English, the stock market recap in Hebrew. Every day 2 videos. In the weekend 4 videos. Stock market weekly recap in Hebrew, stock market recap in English, top stocks in English, top stocks in Hebrew, and last weekend another how to manage risk. So make sure you, how do you like my thumbnails? How do you like my thumbnails? So hit the like, hit the notification bell. Let's grow this channel together. Let's hit the charts. So this was Shopify. Now you want snow. Let's check snow. Snow downtrend until proven otherwise. Bearish on all time frames. Downtrend until proven otherwise. No bullish at sight on snow. Breaking below the 133 and you will see 124 to the downside. HPE. Let's check HPE. HPE post earnings. Had earnings as I can see. Yesterday earnings. Now pre-market going very, very high. Do not chase. Do not chase this. 16.2%. And you, if you don't believe me, this is a perfect example. Look at this. All live. Where price is now pre-market at the future Fibonacci resistance. I didn't plan it. It is what it is. Fibonacci is everything. Price follows Fibonacci. Price doesn't follow these indicators. All these indicators, the MAs, the EMAs, the CCI, the RSI, the MACDs, the VWAP, the AVWAP, the Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku clouds, everything that you see in this list, every technical indicator here, and of course all the strategies based on those indicators, they follow price. But what price follows? Price follows 2 things. Price follows Fibonacci. You see it here, pre-market. The FTI gave us future Fibonacci resistance, and here we are at the future Fibonacci resistance. And of course we have trend lines to help us understand that as long as the price, you have this trend uptrend channel, as long as price is inside this uptrend channel, your way is up. Hewlett-Packard Enterprises, if you're already long, make sure you manage your risk. If you're not long yet, 16% to the upside, it's a very, very big gap. Be careful chasing this. Be careful. Hi Avi, Avi Pais, Avi's 58. Can you check GPS? Of course I can check GPS. Gap. Now holding above the yellow zone, the 2670 holding as support. Look at this. Broke post earnings, broke above, and now retesting as support, breaking below, and you can be sure that this gap, 85-90% chance, will get filled slowly. This area needs to hold. If you're already long on this name, I would suggest to manage your risk a little bit tighter. And this is exactly why I had this posted. 1 second. Let me go to my channel. This is exactly, if you don't know how to manage risk, this is exactly why I published and posted this video just 2 days ago. How to manage risk in trading. It's free. And you have all this Fibonacci Academy playlist. It's free, ladies and gentlemen. The Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist. Let me share the link with you. So you cannot say about. So make sure you watch the free Fibonacci Traders Academy playlist. Just imagine, all these things are free. Just imagine what you will get once you join the Fibonacci Traders mentorship program or the online program. Just imagine What else do we have? This was GPS. What else? What else? What else? Hi Asaf, thank you very much for watching, for joining. Hagai, MCHPQ. What is this? All the letters from the MC short volume. What is this? Okay. Another indicator that I don't understand what it shows. It's like a heartbeat. NVO for Zorik, our ultimate member, the Fibonacci Traders ultimate member. Zorik is one of them. Zorik have lifetime access for support, guidance, all Discord channels, everything included, including the FTI, and a special channel directly to me whenever he wants. Whenever he wants. Not only Discord channels, he also have a direct channel, private channel, directly to me whenever and whatever he wants. NVO, Novo Nordisk, with the Ozempic, something like this. Bullish on all time frames. Above yesterday's highs, you will see 145 and 151 to the upside. KDP. So if you want to be like Zorik, the ultimate trader, check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom. Keurig Dr. Pepper. Who drinks this? Really? Do you like Dr. Pepper? I hate it. It tastes awful. Just awful. Watch out. You are the upper border of this broadening formation, Zorik. Watch out. Watch out. This is your broadening formation. Watch out from this upper border. Some kind of a pullback to the 34.40 will be very, very healthy and unsurprising. CRM. What do we have on CRM? Salesforce broke massively to the downside, and as you can see, since then trying and failing to break above and inside the yellow zone. Overall, if you want to go long on Salesforce, you need at least 2 days above the 242. What do you think about PLTR? I don't know. I have no idea if it will or will not enter the S&P 500. I have no idea. The only thing I know is to follow price. That's it. PLTR trying to break above this downtrend line. Let's see another day or two above the 22.35, and then we can start taking long position toward this gap over here and this gap at the 24. Of course, everything that you see in here is my opinion only. Nothing here is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is merely my opinion. So please, please, please do your own due diligence. Look at this. Bounced off this trend line. You see everything live. Bounced off this trend line. This is the futures 15 minutes. Bounced off this trend line. Bounced off the upper border of the yellow zone. Now let's see. Breaking up above. And where is the next resistance? 53.14 and 53.20 to the upside. Overall, bulls are in super control. Full control from the bulls. All across the market. SPY, Qs, everything. Everything. Bulls are in full control. Just follow price. Don't let anyone scare you. On the 1 hours, we are heading towards the 53.26 and 53.47. AMD looking very, very bad. The market is going high. AMD is going low. Below, broke this uptrend channel, this uptrend line, breaking below yesterday's lows, and you will see 153 gap will get filled. AMD looking very, very not bad, not good. Noam, thank you very much. Thank you, Yossi. Hi, Avi, how are you? Adobe for Avi. Adobe still below this red trend line, bearish on multi-time frames. Sorry, my friend, no long for now. On Adobe, you are heading south until proven otherwise. Maybe earnings next week, June 13th. Maybe will save Adobe. But until then, Adobe is heading south. Below the 437, the 434, sorry, you will see 417 and 395. So careful going long on this one. Hi Amit, how are you? How are you? How are you? Guy, what is awesome? Awesome? What is awesome? Round Hill G. Ozempic, the new ETF. This is the new hype. The new hype. You can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and there you have it. Everything that you need. Above. Let's make it with this one, with the magnet, so it will be a little bit more accurate. You see? Support, resistance, everything that you need. Now, where awesome, the Ozempic, awesome. Ozempic is heading above 25.90. You will see 26.30 and 26.80. Overall, Ozempic looks prime for the next leg up. Now, I want to show you why you need to trust only Fibonacci. Only Fibonacci. Let's clean the chart. Let's take another name from your... Hi Shvedshved, how are you? Shvedshved. What else do we have? What's going on with AMD? We just talked about AMD, Osher. Meta. Why you don't see my daily market recap? Why do I post it? To save you these questions, so you can ask other questions. Meta, still struggling with this downtrend line, moving sideways. You have this gap, needs to get filled. I'm waiting for Meta. I want to see Meta closing a weekly close above this 483, and of course closing this gap. Until then, I'm on the sidelines with Meta. Net recovering? I don't know. What's going on with Net? You tell me. Even if you don't know how to read candlestick analysis, if you don't know what are support and resistance, you have the FTI. It tells you bearish on 3 out of 4 time frames, on the weekly, on the daily, and the 4 hours. So you tell me, is Net recovering? You have this downtrend. Look at this downtrend channel. I see no recover. Look, downtrend since February. 4 months of a downtrend. No recovery for Net, my friend. Sorry to be a party pooper. Evan Bruchnis. Thank you very much. CBS. What is this? All these letters. CBSH. Commerce Bunchers. 3 out of 4 time frames. First, you need to look at the FTI. 3 out of 4 time frames bearish. So is it the time to go long? You have the answer on the chart. You have this trend line. This is why the weekly is still bullish. Looks like this name, CBSH, is heading to retest this red trend line. Now, let me show you why you need to trust only Fibonacci to show you the way, and of course trend lines to show you, but we will start with Fibonacci. You have, I don't need this for now. Let's clean the chart. Clean chart. Go left. Go left, trade right. Look left, trade right. We know that we need to take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Look at this. We are now here, October 08. Okay? This is our swing high. This is our swing low. We can take Fibonacci from swing high, swing low. Now, look left. Look how price follows for future support resistance. Fibonacci. Remember, we drew the Fibonacci October 2008. I'm talking 16 years ago. Look here, how price follows Fibonacci as support and resistance. This one we cannot, no one can argue with this, right? No one. You see it here. Look, now let's go back to the future. Where is price of CBH now? At the 54. But now you say, wait, but Tamir, Fibonacci didn't give us, right? Because we need Fibonacci reverse to the upside. Now, what do we see? All these future resistance and support, all these future levels we drew 16 years ago, still acting as support, resistance. Of course, you can be more accurate if you take Fibonacci at the recent trend, but this is just an example of how and why I use only Fibonacci to show me the way where price might be heading next in terms of support and resistance in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, it took me 2 years, 2 freaking years, until I went all these indicators. I went through 90% of all these indicators. All of them. Not all, but 90% of all these indicators and strategies based on these indicators. It took me 2 freaking years until I found the only tool that will help me and helps me to identify with up to 85-90% chance where price might be heading next. If you want to learn how to do it like a professional trader and really understand why price follows Fibonacci and how to implement Fibonacci, not the FTI, you can do it by yourself. You don't need the FTI. I will show you, I will teach you everything that I know. Just choose the right path for you. Choose the one-on-one live mentorship program with me, or the same program, the online expert program. It's the same thing as the mentorship, pre-recorded. Both programs will gain you lifetime access for support and guidance and the FTI and all Discord channels. Check the links in the description below. Join me today, and I assure you, I promise you, I say it here, everybody knows me. My name follows me. My name is the most important thing that I have. I assure you, I will not let you go until you will start making money consistently without following anyone on social media. This is my promise to you. Once you invest in yourself, check the links in the description below. You have it in Hebrew, you have it in English. Choose your path, choose your language. Join me today. Tomorrow we start. You will not regret it. I promise you that. Promise you. Shopify, Evan, we talked about Shopify just in the beginning of this live. Hi, Amir, thank you very much. MCHP, once again, we talked about who's running this name? MCHP. MCHP, we talked about yesterday. Look at this. You have the FTI, but even without the FTI, what do you see? You have trend lines that shows you the way. Now, let's do this experiment with the Fibonacci and this name once again. Let's go back. Look left, trade right. Let's go back in time. Let's go back to 2002. Let's check, and only one trend. Let's check this trend from here. Swing low. From September 01 to the swing high. December 01. Take it to the upside. Now, look how price follows Fibonacci as support and resistance. All this. Remember we drew it? 2001. We are already now 2005, and still price follows Fibonacci for future support and resistance. Yes, you have more in the middle because the market is always recalculating itself. The algos, the big computers that are, without any doubt, all the big algos, all the big computers that runs the market, they use Fibonacci. They use Fibonacci. They don't use, look, the 50 EMA just crossed the 200 EMA, so let's make a buy or let's make a sell. Or do you really think that the big traders check the RSI if the RSI is above 70 or below 60 or below 30, or they check the VWAP or all these things? No. No. They use Fibonacci. Fibonacci, it's historical mathematical calculations that is working already over 800 years. If it's working and anything surrounds us in life, why don't implement it in trading? Look at this trend line. You have this trend line. Now, as long as SHP is above this trend line, you can go long. Broke below, you're out. Now back to the future. Boom. Look, resistance, support from 23 years ago. You want more accurate? Check this one. This trend. Let's check this trend from December 22 to February 23. This trend over here. You see? All these are future. We drew it. This is the beginning, the end. Above, it's the future support resistance level for price action. And look how price follows Fibonacci, ladies and gentlemen. I don't sell you bullshit. I sell you the truth. Join me and you will find out the magical thing about Fibonacci, and you will start to see things you never saw before. Verb. Let's talk about verb. Anyway, MCHP. MCHP. You can take also the FTI. For now, breaking below, it's inside the yellow zone. It's a no trading zone. You want to go long only another day or two above the 96.35. Below yesterday's lows, you will meet 92 and 84. Ladies and gentlemen, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's grow this channel together and hit the notification bell, because today, 11:59 Eastern time, which is around 6:59 Israel time, we are going live midday market review. So make sure you hit the notification bell and you join me for the midday market review. And what else do we have? Dr. Pepper. Yes, Dr. Pepper. Shopify, we talked about. Verb. Let's talk about verb. Verb. Starting to curl up, I would wait. What is this? Really? This is the thing you want to trade? Only above 0.2 in my opinion. Starting to curl, only above 0.2. QS. Long time since I heard about QS. QuantumScape Corporation. What do we see here? First, bullish only on the daily. We have this uptrend channel, uptrend line, but careful, nothing much, nothing much. If you want to go long, I suggest, not suggest, in my opinion, it's in only my opinion, only above 6. This is my opinion on QS, Moderna. What's going on with Moderna? Had a very nice uptrend. Retracement now inside the yellow zone. This is no trading zone. If you want to go long, I would wait at least. Yaron, thank you very much for subscribing. You see, Yaron subscribe, got its own emoji. This small emoji over here, dancing emoji. So hit the subscribe and you will get your own emoji. Anyway, Moderna, I would wait for another day or two, closing above the 150. The worst sugar only. Yes, it's terrible. Terrible, Dr. Pepper. I don't understand. It's sugar with bad taste. Marathon still inside this uptrend channel, but look at this. Since May 20th, each and every candle that goes by, we have lower lows, lower highs. No long for now on Mara. You want to go long, only a day or two closing above the 2060. WSM, waste management. Williams Sonoma, not waste management. Very important area of support. The 275, very, very important area of support. Breaking below, and this gap, 95% chance will get filled. What about GDHG? What is these names today? All these letters to break my teeth. GDHG. Gold Heaven Group. Why do you have spare money to lose? Why do you trade these penny stocks? I will never understand it. Never understand. You are in the downtrend until proven otherwise, my friend. Be careful with your money. It's your money. Do whatever you want. But it looks it's going retest the 0.18 to the downside once again. Shved wants Nvidia. Shved, you did not watch the daily market recap in Hebrew. In Hebrew, every day, even before you wake up in Israel, you have the daily market recap in Hebrew ready. Nvidia, super bullish. 1243 and 1340 is the next resistance. As long as you're above the 1100, you are good to go. Official Dima Avramson, thank you very much for subscribing. You see, also Dima here got himself this emoji. SMCI looking super bad under a very tough sell pressure since beginning of March. Now the 740 is the support, below it 678 and 600 to the downside. Bearish on all time frames. Hi Itzik, how are you, my friend? Domino's Pizza, one of my favorite for long. We took long on Domino's Pizza from my top stocks to watch. Yesterday we gave us a doji, still above the yellow zone, bullish on all time frames, long continuation above yesterday's highs, and we will see 534 and 4 and 544. Palantir, what do you see on Palantir? We talked about it. Palantir a few minutes ago. Palantir is still struggling with this trend line, but another day or two closing above the 2240, and we can start taking long on Palantir. eBay moving sideways. I have my alert just above the 5434 to take long on Palantir. Long, and as long as eBay is above the 5260, you're good to go on eBay long. Roblox, another name we have been talking about in the past few days or so. 2 days closing above and inside the yellow zone, above the lower board of the yellow zone. Now let's see continuation. This is the 50% retracement, long continuation towards the 36.65, weekly close above it, and we will add to this already winning position, going close to this gap at the 39. And now burns the charts. Why? What's happening with now? Nothing much on now. This is the next resistance, 695. You are in from 32. Good for you. Good for you. As long as you know where is your stop. Yes, Yaniv, Shopify we talked about. Thank you, Osher. Tutu, take two. Tutu? It's also my cat's names. Tutu. Super bullish. Now the 159 area is the support, long continuation, and we'll see 172 and 180 to the upside. Bullish until proven otherwise. Thank you, Asaf. Root. What's going on with Root? Still in a downtrend, nothing much, still below the sell signal. One candle, it's an inside candle. One candle does not change the overall sentiment. We are still in a downtrend. Eli Lilly. Can we get the same price action we saw over here? I marked it with a red line. Same price action we saw over here from January, end of January, until beginning of March. We can take it also from here. Can we see the same price action over? It should be like this. It broke above the yellow zone. Let's see. 1005. Eli Lilly, I'm taking it. Once it will break the 838 towards 1000. Not this one. I want it on my watch list. It's already on my watch list. So, anything else? Anything else? Avishai Ozem we talked about. What is WalkMe? STLD, MAR, soon. AVTR. AVTR, nothing much, stuck in a downtrend. Bearish, you see? Bearish, why? Because you have on the weekly lower highs, lower lows, stuck inside the yellow zone. No trading zone for AVTR. STLD, we need to start wrap up this live. STLD broke downtrend, broke an uptrend line. Now downtrend continuation towards the 124 and 120, bearish on all time frames. TMO, what is WalkMe? Iran, what is WalkMe? TMO, nothing much. You want to go long? I would wait for another day or two, closing inside the yellow zone above the 573. Uber will be the last one. Ladies and gentlemen, hit the like, subscribe. I will post for my Hebrew viewers. This is the link to the Discord waiting list for the next mastermind group. June 14th, I'm opening a new mastermind group. Make sure you subscribe to it because there is a maximum participants. Maximum. So make sure you join. You will not regret. You will not regret. If you want, I cannot talk about myself. I have testimonials. Look at this. You have testimonials in English, in Hebrew. So make sure you become a professional trader. With me, I will do all the best I can and everything that I in my power to help you become a professional trader. Uber downtrend until proven otherwise. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining this live. Don't forget, 11:59. Once again, we have midday live, midday review. So make sure you hit the subscribe and the notification bell. Join me on this magnificent journey. I will teach you how to make money through trading with technical analysis, with Fibonacci. Once again, thank you very much for joining. Until the next live, stay safe.